Hello Mentor is a special program of Beautiful Mind IS in which we take queries of a student. We try to provide rational solution of the issues faced by students. And today uh, I am going to take one important issues that has developed because of the recent result of civil service examinations, final result. As you know that many of students who have cleared, you can say most of the students, uh, they are in delighted mode. They are enjoying their success, but there are at least double and triple number of students who couldn't make it, and they feel dejected, they feel depressed. So they find very frustrating things, and many of them are not will not be able to cope, with this thing, in recent time, and they will take a lot of time. So that will affect their future preparations. So our efforts is to provide a rational solution. Being a clinical psychologist, I can give some psychological tips, and during the discussion side, you can judge that whether it is appropriate or not. See, actually, what happens that uh, whenever we participate in any competition, we have expectations, and we have expectations, and be it football, cricket, any kind of competitions, or for that matter, civil service examination or medical examination, wherever there is a competitive behavior, we have expectation. We want to win. Nobody want participate just to lose. तो कई लोग ऐसे बात करते हैं तो वो बात करने की है, ऐसा नहीं है, सभी लोग में ऐसा होता है, एंड दिस इज वेरी नेचुरल टू फील फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. ये भी एक बहुत नेचुरल इमोशंस है कि जब हम फेलियर को फेस करते हैं तो ये इमोशंस आते हैं. लेकिन उसको कोप कैसे किया जाए, मतलब ये सही क्या है. वन ऑफ इम्पॉर्टेंट थ्योरी इज देयर इन साइकोलॉजी, तो मैं आपको नॉर्मल बता रहा हूँ कि वो कहता है द वे यू थिंक द वे यू फील. तो जो आप फील कर रहे हैं उसमें एक बहुत बड़ा हाथ होगा उस थिंकिंग का, जिस तरीके से आप सोच रहे हैं. एंड द वे यू थिंक इज इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय योर बिलीफ सिस्टम, कोर बिलीफ सिस्टम. सो what you think and what you believe about these competitive things, the moment you realize this thing that this is a competitions, the nature of competition and just examinations are different, in the sense that in examinations, for example in college examinations, when you score certain percentage of marks, you get grade A, B, or uh, whatever, first division, second division, like categorization is there. So all depends upon that. You need to perform up to certain level. But in a competitive situations, your success and failure depends upon performance, but it more depends upon the relative performance. Sometimes you play well, but your counterparts or opponents plays better. So this could be the reason that you have not performed. If you get that person gets success and you fail. But next time maybe that your performance is below the performance that you have given earlier, but you may be successful. And if you look at the result in my institute also, I have that some individual who scored around 250 marks in psychology, and then she got very good rank, 10th rank, and all that. And but uh, many individual who got 318 marks, they couldn't, they got 500 some rank. See this thing. The performance was in terms of marks better, but how will you understand this thing? See, it's a relative game, or you can say that if one is performing better than you, that also makes a difference. So the moment you realize that it is a competition, and it could happen, then your belief system is rational. This will be called rational belief system. One of the famous psychologists was Lazarus. He said that the way you appraise the things, the way you look at the things, that makes a big difference. And if you just think, look at the problem in a very emotional way. Hi, mera kyun nahi hua? Why not me? Why me? If you will look at the things in a non-scientific way, then it will. That's this kind of beliefs. Maybe that you I know, maybe that irrationality is more in your personality, and in that case, it will trigger the corresponding emotions. Irrational mind triggers, negative emotions, because there is a congruence in thinking and emotions. If you think positive, you will feel positive. If you think negative, you feel negative. So this technique you can use. Just to look at the problem. I don't want to say that you should think positive, think positive. Why should I should think positive? But at least you should not be unduly negative. You should understand the things that in a competition, okay, we perform and we try to do well, but sometimes it happens. But I think you might have seen Mahendra Singh Dhoni reactions when he gets he in the in many test matches or one day or 2020 format matches, um, when in Team India was successful. See what were the reactions, and when same person when there was failure, then the reaction was very controlled, because of the fact that this is a competition and this could happen. That maybe that I so you should be you should congratulate the individuals who have played better than you this time. And if you are a mature personality, you will think this way. If you are a very rational person, you will think this way. And but if you are guided by at this sometimes, see, some frustration is very common. I'm not telling that you will think like a god, बहुत ही मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम राम हो जाएंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, कभी कभी होता है, but in this way you should cope up with the failure. This is the way. And for those individuals who couldn't make and it was the last attempt, I will tell one thing, that your generally people get frustrated more whose self-esteem is low and who makes a life and death kind of things with the examination. UPSC cannot define your life and your existence. So this is one way to express yourself. There are many ways, but in developing country, particularly in India, we have colonial mindset. तो अभी लगता है कि इसमें होता तो power आता और ये हो जाता. But I have several students, several, and they are already in service. They have IAS, IFS, IPS, and I used to talk and frequently talk, and then I know that they have not become God. I can assure you. Same problem that you are facing and we are facing in life, they are also facing. But challenges are relative. So if you think in the with this framework of mind, rational framework of mind, so I can tell you, I can assure you that you will be able to cope with this kind of things very easily. But this is also true that time is also great healer. But immediately because you have got failure, so you might be feeling very intense and negative emotion. But if you keep trying, and if you have, you know, in general, I'm telling you, so if you have alternative, you have vision. Suppose you want to give this examination once more, then you think of the thing that what you will do, that will depend upon the future strategy. But I'm telling this thing that at this moment, what should be your thinking, and how you can control your emotions by modifying your thinking and by capitalizing on the rational beliefs. So if you follow this thing, I'm sure that you will be able to control your negative emotions. This is examination cannot be life and death, and that cannot be the only way to define and describe your personality. So I hope you have understood my point, and you will definitely just analyze your way of thinking, and you will scrutinize your beliefs, that whether you are whatever way you are thinking, is it rational, means logical, and if very soon you will get insight that where is the problem. So when this tips helps, then let me know in the comment box that whether it was helpful or not. I will try to help you with another issue in future. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.